Welcome back. We've been telling you about the Budgam district encounter and what happened in, 3 civilians lost their lives as a result of stone pelting. And now what has been decided is that a drone will be used to monitor all of the Jammu and Kashmir operations. Drone Netra, in fact, is going to be deployed during mob violence, especially. Forces are now going to be using Drone Netra as a force multiplier. It will be used to detect suspicious movement, especially on highways. It will also be able to give advance information in case of a crowd build-up in an area of operation, giving the force heads up. We saw what happened yesterday in Budgam when the locals tried to obstruct the anti-terror operation. The force has also put up a vehicle-mounted camera to record every single movement during a live encounter. And for now, the forces are going to be studying the visuals after the encounter is over. But sources said that they will be working on getting a live feed of visuals with an upgraded technology. This also comes in the wake of allegations of excesses that are used by the forces. So that's the big news. Drone Netra, that's going to be now put into effect to monitor the various operations. Kamaljeet Sandhu joins us for more details. Kamaljeet, just give us more information about this.
Well, even as the going gets really tough for CRPF, they are now planning to deploy UAVs, or what are called the drones. And remember, there has been a lot of success as far as the Maoist hotbed, or the left-wing extremist area, as it is called. So seeing that success that side, they've decided to deploy UAVs here. Now, we've been told by our sources very clearly that some of the UAVs were gathering dust here, but since the past few days, they've been contemplating and mulling active use of these UAVs. Now, they obviously say it's not just a force multiplier. It will give confidence to the men. Once they're on the road opening party, they're trying to go, and remember, in hindsight, if you go and see, there have been multiple convoy attacks in the Kashmir Valley targeting BSF as well as the army. That will give them enough time to actually scan through that particular highway, give them advance notice of any suspicious movement. It will also focus on any sort of crowd build-up. So that is the sort of thing that they're looking at. It can give them a lot of advantage, but there are obviously limitations as far as using UAV in a residential setup are concerned. It may have its drawback because the number of people, the area, the use of the area, the UAV can only fly up to 30 minutes, while the operation may last for a couple of hours. So there are certain limitations, but at this point of time, they plan to use it very effectively as a value addition.
Right, Kamaljeet, for now, thanks so much for joining us.